YouTube channel Ready to Learn Pro.
Hello guys, in this video we are going to understand how to take input from keyboard. What is import? It is used to make available classes, predefined classes of a particular package into the present Java file. In our package, we use scanner class. Scanner class is available in java.util. How we can include a package in a program with the help of import. So we use import java.util.Scanner semicolon in our program. Then second is create a scanner to obtain user input from the keyboard. INP is an object of scanner class equals to new scanner and system.in. Here in means input. Here INP declaring INP as an object of scanner class. Then what is mean by new in this statement? New keyword to create a scanner object that reads characters typed by the user at the keyboard. And what is scanner? Scanner translates these bytes into types like ints that can be used in a program. And what is system.in? System.in enables applications to read bytes of data typed by the user. And the third one is declaring a variable to store an integer. How we can declare? By using int num1 equals to input dot nextInt function semicolon. What is num1? Num1 holds data of type int, that is integer values. Then what is nextInt function? NextInt is a method of the object INP. What is INP? That is INP. Declaring as an object of scanner class is an INP. That is INP. So nextInt is a method of the object INP of the scanner class. Now we are going to implement all 3 points what we are going to understand, that is import scanner class, create scanner to obtain user input from the keyboard, and declaring a variable to store an integer. We implement all these 3 topics in our program. How we can use these 3 topics in our program? At the top, first of all, we are going to write import java.util.Scanner class. It indicates that the user uses the predefined scanner class from the package named java.util. The compiler then ensures that you use the class correctly. Then in main method, we are going to create a scanner class to obtain user input from the keyboard. For that, we are going to create a scanner input equals to new scanner system.in. Then after that, system.out.print, enter first number. This message is called a promote because it directs the user to take a specific action. It directs the user to take a specific action. We use method print here rather than println so that the user's input appears on the same line as the promote. And int num1 equals to input dot next int function semicolon declares that variable num1 holds data of type int, that is the integer values, which are whole numbers such as 72 or minus 72 and 0. Some other types of data are float and double for holding real numbers, and char for holding character data. Real numbers contains decimal points such as in 3.0 or 0.0. Variables of type char represent individual characters such as uppercase letter, example capital A special character, example percent sign. The types int, float, double, and char are called primitive types. Primitive types names are keywords and must appear in all lowercase letters. And then we are going to print what the user take input value, and that's all. If we want to take input as a float value, then in place of next int we are going to write next float, and as it is, if we want to take input as a double, long, short, and a single word, we are for single word we are using only next function or line of string. For as an input we want a line of string, then we are going to write next line function, and same as boolean. So guys, never forget to subscribe and like our channel. Thank you so much for watching.